All right, what's going on, boys? Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download TikToks without the watermark. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm on TikTok on the computer. I'll probably do a little guide on how to do it on the phone as well during this video, but let's show you first on the computer. So what you're going to do, find your TikTok. So let's say I want to download one of these right here. You're going to click on copy link right there. You're gonna head over to your browser. Let me open up a browser. All right, so you're gonna head over to this website. It's called snappic.app. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna paste it in and click on download. Give it a second, wait for it to download. All right, it just downloaded. If you wanna download the HD version, it'll pop up an ad, but I typically just download it. All right, there it is. We got it right here. Let me bring it over. All right, now we actually have it on our computer. Let me open up the file. I'll show you guys. There it is right there. So that is how to download a TikTok without the watermark on your computer. All right, now let me show you how to do it on your phone. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna navigate to where the TikTok that you want to download is. So let me start my recording. All right, so find the TikTok you wanna download. You're gonna click on the three dots in the bottom right, and you're gonna click on copy link, and you're gonna go to snappic.app again. Boom, and you're gonna paste it in, and you're gonna click on download. Wait for it to download. All right, and then again, you see all the options. I just click on download, give it a second, and then you're gonna hit the X in the top right, and then click on download. And then now you see the little arrow down in the bottom left. You click on that arrow, you click on downloads, and then now you have the video downloaded to your phone. All right, boys, that was how to download TikToks without the watermark. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe. And don't forget, take it easy.